Emergency Broadcast System, County Communications Office. Location, Redwood Valley, Oregon. Date, October 17th, 2025. Time, 02:47 a.m. This is an official message issued by the Redwood Valley County Office of Emergency Communications. Please remain calm. Do not use cellular devices until instructed. The following alert is in response to reports received from multiple districts across Mendocino County and surrounding unincorporated areas. At approximately 1:03 a.m. Pacific Time, residents began receiving text messages from phone numbers registered to deceased individuals. These messages appear normal at first, often referencing personal memories or using language familiar to the recipient. Do not respond. The origin of these transmissions is currently unknown. Telecommunications companies have confirmed these numbers as deactivated, some for several years. Attempts to trace the source have resulted in equipment failures, data corruption, and in one case, the unexplained disappearance of a responding technician from Tower 9 near Cedar Ridge. If you have received a message from a known deceased contact, do not open it. If opened, do not reply. Lock your phone, power it down, place it outside your residence, preferably in a sealed, insulated container. Do not bring it back inside. All individuals who replied to these messages have since been reported missing. The last known outgoing message from each device is a single word: coming. Security footage retrieved from a residence on Pine Hollow Drive shows a victim standing motionless on their own porch at 3:21 a.m., timestamped 14 minutes after their last known text was sent. The homeowner was never found. Witnesses reported hearing footsteps on the roof, followed by a knock from inside a bedroom closet. Emergency services arrived to find the house empty, with a still warm phone left recording in selfie mode. The screen displayed a face resembling the victim, but it was smiling, too wide. We urge all citizens to disconnect unused devices, block light-emitting screens, and remain indoors. New cases suggest devices are activating on their own, including powered-off landlines and TVs. One Redwood High School teacher reported her classroom intercom repeatedly calling her deceased son's name for 7 straight minutes. Screens are no longer trustworthy. They show your contact's name, then they call you by yours. Some who replied say their fingers moved without conscious thought. Others swear they saw someone outside their home moments later, someone they recognized, but the thing didn't blink. Its mouth stayed open too long. It whispered through glass. It waited. It mimics your grief, your longing, your voice. It crawls through your signal, through your yes, through your I miss you. It uses love like a crowbar. This is not a virus. This is not a signal. This is an invitation. If you already replied, do not sleep tonight. Do not enter any room with mirrors. If you hear your phone vibrate, do not check it. If you hear someone calling your name from behind a closed door, do not open it. They know your voice. They have your number. They remember what your friends said before they died. You should not have replied. It's dialing again. I didn't touch it. It's calling me from my number. It's already inside.